Hi everyone. Today's topic is I wish. I wish I would be able to achieve all my goals and dreams. Have you ever wondered why do we wish for so many things? Maybe because we want to achieve all our goals and dreams without going through the harsh, uncomfortable journey of achieving that goals. The famous author Stephen Covey has introduced the concept of deathbed literature in his famous book of Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. He has conducted a study on the people who are on their deathbed. Most of them were suffering from the feeling of regret, why they were not able to go after their dreams, why they did not take action when they were young. We should focus on actions instead of focusing on the results of those actions. Even Lord Krishna has explained this concept in the very famous book of Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna explains that we should focus on the actions without getting attached to the fruits of that outcome. So we all should focus on the actions which are in our control without thinking much about the results which are not in our control. So I hope we all will focus on taking actions from now onwards. Thank you all.